Hi everybody, I'm Jim Shore. We are in the Habitat for Humanity restore. And I have to tell you that any person, young person or whatever, who's putting together a new household together, this is the place to shop. And I'll give you an example, okay? Look at this table right here. Now this is an elegant, highly well built. It's got some age on it. It's borderline antique, okay? I've looked at the bottom of it. The construction of it is really, really solid. And it's got 6 chairs that go along with it that are really well built too. Solid wood, it's not a veneer. I mean, it's a beautiful, you know what they want for this? Now this got 2 leaves in it. This could go in any house, anywhere. $75, okay? Here's the tag, $75. $75, okay? As you probably know, we have a house in Charleston, and I'm gonna get this thing. We'll follow. I'll show you what it's gonna look like when it's sitting in the house in Charleston. Because they have rugs here, they have stuff here for the kitchen, which you know I'm a sucker for kitchen stuff, so I spend plenty of time over there. And it's amazing what you can find. Every once in a while, you will find a jewel. I found some Revere ware. I have found British trade flow blue pieces in this very store before. So, I mean, keep your eyes open if you know what you're looking for. You can get some good deals, but you can equip a kitchen. You can equip a bedroom. They've got beds, they've got mattresses, they've got all kinds of stuff, you know, and they've got rowdy children.
Now, Jim, will you fix this table up or do anything different to it?
This table does not, a lot of the things that I get need repair. They need a little something, a little rebuild or, you know, a little repurposing or something. Not this. This table is in great shape, and we'll take some English oil to it or something and shine it up. And we
How
may,
about the chairs?
We may recover this with something. But you see those are springs in there. This isn't just, you know, some crummy cheap piece of foam in there. These are really well built things, have very nice detailing on them, and the whole thing. So it'll go as soon as we finish the covering of the seats, which we'll cover it in something like maybe a brocade or a velvet or something, you know, cut velvet maybe, something that'll conform to to the Charleston style, you know, and but it'll go on the floor just exactly the way it is. So I mean, it's awesome. So we can walk around a little bit and I'll show you some stuff. Okay, I want to tell you about another table that I bought, okay? This table here, now this has some age to it. It's got, it's made to come apart for leaves to go in this, but I want to point something out to you. This part of the table right here, and this part of the table right here, that is one board, one single board, not boards put together, one single board. This is American walnut, and the tree that this came out of must have been that big around. It's very, very, very rare that you see a piece of furniture like this, particularly from this era, which I'm gauging it to be probably late 1800s, that has a single board construction. Now we've got some cabinets that I picked up that are even earlier than this, that have single board. You just find that sometimes on that. Sometimes you'll find it on the old trunks where they'll use one board, you know, for like a blanket chest or something. But very rarely do you find it like this. This table, $75. $75.
And it's Wednesday.
And it's Wednesday, yeah. So I get my senior discount. one of the benefits of being a vintage citizen. Anyway, this is a great deal. I've picked up some stuff here. These are just awesome. Williams Sonoma down here, Revere ware, this sort of thing. Crystal candle holders. $10 for a pair of those. I mean, they're just, the stuff that you can get is just awesome. They have a whole selection of books, a whole selection of mirrors, pictures to put on the wall for practically nothing. And so this is one of my favorite places. And also, you have also the benefit of knowing that you are helping in the community, because this is, after all, you know, a charitable endeavor that they have, and it's one of the best ones. So if you have one in your area, which you probably do, I strongly urge you to go. It's a very entertaining place to just walk around and see what they got. Okay. Okay, I want to show you something too. This is a piece. Actually, this is made to be a wall hanging. Okay, and it's a fiberglass piece. It looks beautifully done to make it look like real wood. As you can see, about as good a job of doing real wood as you can find. But it is fiberglass, as you can see there. Now, what I intend on doing with this, and this is practically a giveaway price. I will probably make a mold of this, silicone mold. You've seen me do that before, I think, in some of my other things. And I will recast this and possibly use it as decoration in the Charleston house, which this kind of stuff goes good, you know, around the wainscoting or something of that nature. If it were horizontal, I'd use it as a, you know, multiple of it, and use it as a frieze panel around the top under the cornice. But I may have to sculpt something for that. Anyway, this is a good deal.